guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can duet with your videos on your accounts on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now click duet here, click duet and just click only me, and you're gonna make no one can duet with your videos on your accounts on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.